I'm Candace Moffett, and I am the Al's Garden and Home gift buyer, Christmas buyer, and our clothing buyer. We have a big event coming up this Thursday. It's our Ladies' Night Out, and those familiar with it, it's a super fun night. We have drinks, we have food, we have prizes, we have a band, and most importantly, we have a great spring fashion show that kind of kicks us off for the season. So some of the things that you're going to be seeing at this fashion show are some of the trends for spring, one of which is floral, which I'm so excited about since we are a garden center, especially kicking us off into spring. We have these beautiful abstract, delicate embroideries. We have a whole bunch of flower print that is great to just pop under anything. And this just came in, which I love. It's a long floral kimono. So just this little pop makes it spring in your wardrobe. You just have to put this over a basic and you are all ready to go with the little floral print. Another great fun thing for spring are cutouts. This little t-shirt, it's got an embroidery detail, but then it's got a fun little cutout right here. So it's like a little surprise, a little add of style, just something different under a jacket. So you have a little texture. Love this cardigan. So you have coverage, but yet you also have a little sheer arm and then the back detail with the cutouts too. So again, you definitely can be covered with the cutouts, but it just adds like a nice little surprise, especially for those nice, hopefully hot spring days. Fun trend also, and that we'll see going into fall, is embroidery detail. This jacket is like the perfect example. So what they did here is just like a great little black jacket with this like wonderful embroidery floral detail. So again, you're going to see florals with embroideries throughout. And then of course everything goes back to denim. So in the show you're going to see different denim styles. Denim really doesn't ever go out of style. You can always pair things back with your denim jeans. They're ready for work nowadays. And then also under your denim jackets that goes with everything. So hope to see you guys this Thursday at our Al Sherwood location for our ladies event. And bring a friend, bring your mom, bring your sisters. It's a super fun event. So